So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can fix privacy warning Wi-Fi on your iPhone. So for this, open the settings app on your iPhone. Now here, tap on Wi-Fi. Now as you can see here, this is the Wi-Fi that my iPhone is connected to. And below this Wi-Fi, it says privacy warning. Now to fix it, tap on this I button next to the Wi-Fi. Now scroll down and here tap on private Wi-Fi address. Now you will see three options here: off, fixed and rotating. Now to fix privacy Wi-Fi warning, select fix. From these options, select fixed. Tap on OK. After this, go back again. Now as you can see here, privacy warning is gone. So this is how you can fix privacy Wi-Fi warning on your iPhone. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.